I created a lesson where my students in my math class had the ability to take their weakest subject area in math, and create a interactive and creative lesson plan. The students really didn't have a lot of regulations, and they were able to explore their weakest area and do a open-ended presentation where they taught the class what they learned.
In Science Lab, we are collaborating with social studies to have our third graders create a newscast on weather disasters occurring in their regions.
24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 6.
To extend the study of fossils in science this past unit, the children picked one dinosaur out of a hat that they needed to research online. We sent them to a website, Science Kids, and there they could research that particular dinosaur. Along with the research, they created a three-dimensional model of their dinosaur living in its appropriate habitat. This one also indicates that this is what was happening 150 million years ago. Made out of clay, this one made out of Legos. There were a variety of other materials that were used, and then the children also completed a template where they filled in certain kinds of information relating to their dinosaur, what it's known for, what its habitat was like, how long ago it lived, and they then presented it in their dinosaur team at the end of the study.
I like when we did our Regents practice in social studies and science.
I love to learn new tricks to solve math equations.
Hi, so we in the 5th grade Judaic class have some very interesting projects that we do where we integrate math, we integrate technology. We have them creating a candelabra. That's a traditional one that was used back in the times of the temple, and they have to get an original picture of what it looked like, not the original picture, and they have to take the dimensions of it off of the picture. They have to then recreate it in a model scale size. So we integrate a little bit of math, some technology, we have to do some research, and that's one of the interesting things we do today.
Girls building STEAM is so much fun. In Girls Building STEAM, we make towers out of toothpicks.